Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect Calendly to Goal High Level step by step. This integration allows you to automate lead capture from Calendly bookings into Go High Level, sync appointments directly into your Go High Level calendar, trigger automated follow-ups when appointments are booked or completed. Track appointment data alongside other lead interactions. By integrating Calendly with Go High Level, you can save time, improve organization, and ensure no opportunities slip through the cracks. Make sure to watch till the end where I will also share some troubleshooting tips if your appointments aren't syncing correctly. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Go High Level account and navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Integrations from the left side menu. Scroll down to find Calendly and click Connect. A pop-up will appear asking for authorization. Now click Allow to give Go High Level access to your Calendly account. Once connected, you will see a list of your Calendly calendars. Select the calendars you want to sync with Go High Level. Now your Calendly account is linked to Go High Level. Next, we need to sync Calendly events so they appear in your Go High Level calendar. In Go High Level, go to Settings, then Calendars, select Sync Appointments, and select Calendly as the source. Choose the Calendly event types you want to sync. Assign them to the appropriate Go High Level calendar based on your team's scheduling needs. At this point, any new appointments booked through Calendly will automatically appear in Go High Level. Now ensure that lead details from Calendly bookings get properly stored in Go High Level. In the Go High Level Calendly integration settings, locate the form field mapping section. Here you will see a list of Calendly form fields like name, email, phone number, and custom questions. Use the drop-down menus to match each field with the Connect Go High Level Contact field. If needed, create custom fields in Go High Level to capture additional information. Now, whenever a lead books through Calendly, their details will automatically populate in your Go High Level contact records. If this guide was helpful, and that's it, you have successfully connected Calendly to Go High Level to automate your scheduling and lead management. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.